Dear friends, the topic for today is voice messages in WhatsApp. First is how to send voice message. Second, how to read voice message. Third, how to adjust the speed of listening to voice message in WhatsApp. So let us see in detail. Let us go to the WhatsApp. So this is the WhatsApp. Okay. Now the first is how to send voice message. I will send now voice message. See, in order to send voice message, just open the WhatsApp either in mobile or desktop or whatever it is. Select the concerned person whom you want to send. I have selected this Chotis. So to that number, I need to send a voice message. So I have opened that chat of the concerned person. After opening the chat of the concerned person, go to the bottom right side. There will be a icon, this mic like icon, right? Click it. Once you click it, you have to hold it, then you have to speak. Okay, just a minute. Hello, how are you? Hope you are fine. I am fine. I love cricket. I love to play. I eat a lot. I sleep a lot. Thank you. So you need to hold it, then you need to release it. Okay, just wait. So message has been sent, right? Again one more time I just repeat. At the bottom right side mic like structure, you need to press it and hold it for a moment. As you hold the mic or press, go along, as long as you press the mic, you need to speak something, right? Just a minute. I am pressing it once again. Hello all, this is voice message for WhatsApp. Thank you. Then you have to release it. Okay, it has been sent. 1 minute. Okay, now first is over. How to send voice message, we have done it, right? Next is how to read voice message. How to read voice message is simple. As normally what we do is just press this button. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. You need to, once you receive the voice message, what you have to do is press this triangle like structure. Click it. Hello all, this is voice message for WhatsApp. Thank you. Okay, the above which I have sent, let me show you how to read voice message. Just click it to this triangular button. Hello, how are you? Hope you are fine. I am fine. I love cricket. I love to play. I eat a lot. I sleep a lot. Thank you. Hello all, this is voice message for WhatsApp. Thank you. Okay. Now third option is the very important one, that is how to adjust the speed of listening to voice message. 1 minute. So in order to adjust the speed of listening to voice message, what you have to do is, see here, this is a very short message, so lengthy message I have taken this. See here, 1 minute. As a sample demo, I have taken a long message.
What is a website? According to Mozilla Developer Network, MDN, a website is a collection of web pages, which are grouped together and usually connected together in various ways.
So now the speed is normal speed. Okay, Actually, our third point is how to adjust the speed of listening to voice message. We can adjust the speed of listening in three ways. One is normal, that is 1x mode. Then second is 1.5x mode. The third is 2x mode, right? So listen here. So now whatever we have listened is 1x mode. Now we will start this and then click on to 1 minute. Click on to this. If you click on to this, it will go to 1.5. Just click it. Okay. Then listen.
Domain name. It is typically produced by a person or an organization. It is simply called a site. A web page is a document which can be displayed in a web browser.
Okay. Now 2x speed. Click again on to this. Okay. So now see here 2x. Now again try to listen.
Browsers such as Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer or Apple Safari. These are also called pages. Such documents are written in the HTML language.
Okay, again back to normal mode 1x. If you click, just need to click once. Okay.
The term web page specifically refers to HTML documents. A website may contain only one web page. Such a website is sometimes called a single-page website. A web server is a computer that hosts a website on the internet. To access a website, type its domain name or its URL address in any of your browser address bar or by searching it on a search engine such as Google or Bing. Together, all publicly accessible websites constitute the World Wide Web.
Okay. So this is a procedure how to adjust the speed of listening to voice message. Okay. Either you can adjust the speed to normal mode or 1.5 times the actual normal mode or 2 times the normal mode, right? Okay. So again, if you want to listen, I just will show you. See here how to adjust the speed.
What is a website? According to Mozilla Developer Network, MDN, a website is a collection of web pages which are grouped together and usually connected together.
Just click
in
on to
various
1x.
ways.
So
It shares a
1.5x
unique
now.
domain name. It is typically produced by a person or an organization.
Again, if you click
It is simply
2x
called a
times.
site. A web page is a document which can be displayed in a web browser such as Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer or Apple Safari. These are also called pages. Such documents are written in the HTML language. The term web page specifically refers to HTML documents. A website may contain only one web page.
This is
Such
normal
a
mode.
website is sometimes called a single-page website. A web server is a computer
1.5
that hosts a
times.
website on the internet. To access a website, type its domain name
2
or its
times.
URL address in any of your browser address bar or by searching it on a search
This is
engine
normal mode,
such as
1x
Google
time.
or Bing. Together, all publicly accessible websites constitute the World Wide Web.
So this is a procedure how to send voice messages in WhatsApp, how to read voice message in WhatsApp. At the same time, I have explained to you how to adjust the speed of listening to voice message in WhatsApp. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching. Hope you understood how to use voice messages in WhatsApp in a better way. Thank you friends. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.